Hello friends, I am Ashok Sanodia and I welcome you back in your own organic gardening channel. Friends, this is our second video about using coco peat for gardening. Coco peat is used in many different ways for gardening and most commonly it used for preparing the best potting mix and soil mix to grow different plants. In this way, we mix coco peat with our existing soil to improve its water holding capacity and porousness. But here most people make a mistake and convert their existing soil into very bad soil instead of improving it. So in this video we are going to explain about that particular mistake and its simple solution. And if you also use coco peat and want to know about this, then please see this video till the end for knowing the complete information.
So friends, coco peat is known as the best soilless media and people worldwide use it most commonly by adding it with their existing soil to improve their soil's quality for better plant growth. And if we talk about its benefits, then it improves soil's moisture and nutrients retaining capacity and also improves the aeration and water drainage capacity by making the soil loose and porous. But on the contrary, coco peat also makes our soil mix or potting mix very bad instead of improving it. And this could happen when we use or mix coco peat without understanding our existing soil's requirement. So if you don't want to make this mistake, then please understand this part carefully. Now if we talk about our area soil, then there are different types of soil is available around us. And if we categorize it, then generally we can define it in only two categories. The first category is clay soil, which contain lots of clay inside it and becomes too sticky and does not drain water easily from it. And the second category is sandy soil, which contain lots of sand inside it and becomes too loose or dry and does not retain moisture or water inside it. And this is the main point which we all should try to understand before using coco peat with our existing area soil, because here most of the people do mistake and make their soil very bad by adding coco peat. So please try to understand that if our area soil is sandy and we use coco peat with it, then coco peat will improve its water retaining capacity and make it perfect for plants. But if our area soil is like the first category, having lots of clay, and we use coco peat with it, then it would be a mistake, because coco peat will make it more soggy and it will lock the water inside it for a long time and plants will never survive in this type of soil. And this could happen because clay soil and coco peat is having the same quality to retain the moisture for a long time. And when we grow any plant in this soil mix, then our plants are affected by the root rotting problem and start decay soon. So if we conclude all this in short, then if our existing soil or area soil is sandy, then we should use coco peat with it and the soil will improve. But if our area soil is clay, then we should not use coco peat with it because it will make it bad instead of improving the soil. I hope this information will help you, and for any further query, please write us in comments box and we will try to answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.